We are going to learn a new phrase which is very vital for the beginners, to say the least. Sinhala version කොටින්ම කියනවා නම්. This is not the literal version, Sinhala version of the English wording, but parallel version. We use this phrase to say the least to describe something mildest way or in a minimum way when the reality or true states of things are much stronger. We use to say the least. He is rude to say the least. කොටින්ම කියනවා නම් ඔහු අසිෂ්ටයි. Their decision to stop that project midway is surprising to say the least. කොටින්ම කියනවා නම් අවම වශයෙන් කියනවා නම් ඒ ව්‍යාපෘති අතරමඟ නැවැත්වීමේ ඔවුන්ගේ තීරණය පුදුම සහගතයි. Now if you need, you can write this phrase at the beginning of the sentence, but it is rather formal everyday conversation. People use mostly this phrase at the end of the sentence. If you need to learn more phrases like this, more speaking styles, writing styles, please follow my page.